Love homemade jam on your toast, sandwiches, and ice cream? Try this Raspberry Grape Jam. It's fresh, fruity sweet, and has no added sugar. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making healthy raspberry grape jam. This jam is so tasty. I love it on pancakes, waffles, sandwiches, toast, ice cream, and I bet you could think of more things to put your raspberry grape jam on. It's super easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are 100% grape juice concentrate, water, lemon juice, cornstarch, and frozen raspberries. And I'm lucky enough that I got to pick raspberries at my friend's house, so I froze them. You could probably use fresh, but when you stir the frozen raspberries in the hot syrup, I think they stay whole, but you could use fresh if you would like. Also, I have non-GMO cornstarch, which I recommend, and you could also use fresh lemon juice. So the first thing that we need to do is get a large pot. So next we're going to go ahead and add our 12-ounce can of grape juice, 100% juiced. Next I'm going to add 12 ounces or 1 can full of water, and usually I just fill up the juice container. That way you get the rest of the juice out of it. And we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You could use fresh or already prepared. This is fast and easy, so I'm using this. Go ahead and stir that together. Next, I'm going to slowly add 1/2 cup of cornstarch until it's all the way dissolved. Once the cornstarch is dissolved, we're going to heat the mixture over medium heat. So turn your heat up to medium. We're going to stir it constantly until it's thickened. It doesn't take that long. Once it starts getting thick, I switch to a spatula so I can scrape the bottom of the pan. Okay, you can see how quickly it's getting thick now once it starts. It's up to you how thick you want it. It'll also thicken more as it chills in the refrigerator. So once it's thick, turn off the heat, or if you're on an electric stove, make sure to take it off the burner. So next we're going to stir in 4 to 5 cups of frozen raspberries. Alright, we'll go ahead and let it cool, and we'll put it in a container. Okay, our jam has cooled, and it's time to try it. I had so much I'm using 2 containers, so I'll use this one first. My favorite, of course, is to put it on peanut butter and sandwich, like I like peanut butter and jelly, but this is jam, but it doesn't have sugar or corn syrup. Well, that's a lot. It's going to taste good though. And I like it on toast also. And it's good on ice cream, waffles, pancakes, a topping on desserts. So I'm ready to try this. This is super sweet and super tasty. Try it. Super easy, 5 ingredients. You could do it. Fresh and sweet. Delicious. Try it, and I'll see you in my next lesson.